welcome on my channel. Today I have for you a quick tutorial how to repair a smartwatch from a magnetic resonance. As you see, the smartwatch doesn't work. Yes. And let's repair it. Okay, let's get out the screws for you. I have out of the screws, but you need to get out of the screws from this watch. Yeah. Now open it and unplug all the things like like battery or a display from the panel or the magnetic charger here, and plug it in back then, and it may work. Then get it back. As you see, the smartwatch is fully working now. I hope I help you by this tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It's the red button down below this video. Please click on it. Okay, I see you in the next video. Bye.